Need some help getting your David Premiere up and running? Your Premiere comes with everything you need to start improving your life. Let's get started. The Premiere has an internal lithium battery that is charged using a USB cable included in your kit. Any USB power and micro USB plug may be used. If the power light is green, you're ready to go. In your iSet case, you will find a Spectrum iSet and cord. Plug the micro USB end of the cord in the jack on the iSet and the other end into the number 1 iSet jack on the Premiere unit. Now, plug the headphone into the headphone jack. Next, plug the CES cable into the electrostim jack. Wet your earlobe well with water, saliva, saline solution, or electrode gel. Clip the black ear clip to your left earlobe and the red ear clip to your right earlobe. To turn the Premiere on, push and hold the power button until the green power button light comes on and the display lights up. You will see a session library icon. Click on the checkmark button to view the session types. You can see the entire session list here in the session library or refer to the operator's manual on our website. Scroll through the session types using BRT or vol up and down arrows. Choose a type by clicking the checkmark button. Within each type is a list of sessions. Scroll through the sessions with the BRT or vol up and down arrows to select a session. Press and release the checkmark button to select your session. The session will begin automatically. The lights and tones will gradually turn on. Here is an example showing an AVE and CES relaxation session with background audio added and will run for 30 minutes. The battery is fully charged. You can adjust the intensity of lights using the BRT up and down arrows and adjust the volume of tones using the vol up and down arrows. To change tones, background audio, or iSet colors, press and hold the checkmark button. Many sessions have CES, background audio, and iSet colors pre-selected. All these preferences can be changed while a session is running. At any time, you can select the power button to go back to the previous menu. CES can be selected by pressing and holding the INT up button. Hold until you feel a slight tingling feeling. Use short presses for small increases. CES is synchronized with the AVE frequency, or you can select 100 Hz by pressing both INT up and down buttons at the same time. The 100 Hz icon will show up in the display. You're ready. Put on the iSet and headphones, lay back, close your eyes, let go, and enjoy your session. At any time while the session is running, you can press the checkmark button to see how much time is remaining. When the session is over, the lights, tones, and CES will gradually shut off. For more information, visit our website at www.mindalive.com.